This video will walk you through how to access the Enhancing Statistics Teacher Education with eModules or ESTEEM materials. These materials are hosted at the Professional Learning and Collaboration Environment, or the PLACE, which is part of the Friday Institute for Educational Innovation at North Carolina State University. To begin, go to place.fi.ncsu.edu. Scroll down about midway to the screen to find the ESTEEM logo, then click here. This landing page gives a summary of the project, as well as a layout of all three modules, a list of our development team, which includes PIs Holly Lynn Lee of NC State University, co-PIs Rick Hudson of University of Southern Indiana, Stephanie Casey of Eastern Michigan, Bill Finzer of the Concord Consortium, as well as Research Associate Jima Mojika from NC State University, and other graduate students that have helped. There are also related resources here you can click. This project is supported by the National Science Foundation under grant number DUE 1625713, awarded to NC State University. To access the materials, click the red button near the top of the screen. If you already have an account at the place, you can use it here to log in. If you do not have an account, scroll down to the bottom and click Create New Account. You can create a username and password that is easy to remember. Sometimes it's easier here to let the username be the email address that you have associated with this account. Here, fill out the sections for username and your own unique password, more details, about me, and here, where you talk about which grade you specialize in, you can select more than one, and about my organization. Then click Create My New Account. To be clear here, university students will be accessing materials from your learning management system. This portal is not a place for your university students to create an account. This place is just meant for math teacher educators to create an account. Here you'll be asked 4 short questions in an enrollment survey. In what context are you using the materials? In which of the learning contexts do you plan to use the ESTEEM materials, face-to-face, online synchronous, or online asynchronous? And which learning management system do you use? Currently, we support Moodle, Canvas, and Blackboard and have exports available for all 3 of those. You can click on the YouTube channel where this video is found to find other videos of how to import Moodle, Canvas, and Blackboard exports into your LMS. If you have another type of LMS, just specify which one it is here. You can also provide details about where you'll be using this. For example, say you're using this in a methods course for pre-service elementary teachers. These questions are confidential and only help us to know more about our users to aid in our research and development of further material. After you complete this step, you'll be taken to the ESTEEM materials site. Again, this site serves as a place where you can view the ESTEEM materials and download exports and materials for your specific learning management system. This site is not for use for your students to complete assignments or a place for you to complete assignments. Here you can view all the materials that are in all 3 modules, as well as the layout of the modules. Links to all of the assignments and the videos are available here. You can also view the screencast and task design assignments here. All 3 modules each have 2 parts. You can click on a part on an arrow to see all of the pages that are available for you. In each page, material is available here, as well as videos that will import into your learning management system. Click on the right-hand side, you'll see the download links for Canvas, Blackboard, and Moodle exports, as well as guides to how to walk you through how to set ESTEEM up in your own learning management system. We hope you have a chance to use the ESTEEM materials in your own course. By registering for the ESTEEM portal, you'll become part of a community of educators committing to preparing mathematics teachers to teach statistics.